Oh dear, dancing snail. Oh, he's really having a good time, isn't he? Pole dancing snail. Oh yeah, it's a good name for it on YouTube. It's like waiting for the dinner. Then realise there's a pole dancing snail in the background. Go away, fishes, you're blocking the route. Ooh, around the corner, where's he gone? Oh dear. Just have to go on Sam's Sticky and Slimy webpage, I think. It's all about snails, isn't it? Oh, you can see him from right back here. Who else has got a snail dancing and a thermometer in the fish tank?